Think, your car is running rough because it's getting old. Remember, age is just a number, but a dirty throttle body can spoil your car's performance. It messes with power, wastes gas, and even pollutes the air. But here's the kicker, cleaning it can bring your engine back to life, which means better fuel mileage and smoother rides. And no, you don't always need a fancy workshop to fix it. It can easily be done at home. So stick around, because in this video, I'll cover everything about your car's throttle body and how much you can save by doing it yourself. Let's begin. Do you know what are the signs that your throttle body needs cleaning? Your car's engine should run as smooth as butter, but if it's acting weird lately, your throttle body might be crying out for help. Rough starts and stops. If your car feels like it's hiccuping when you're stopping or taking off from a light, that's a big clue. A dirty throttle body messes with the airflow, making it tough for the engine to keep a steady rhythm. Jerky acceleration. Press the gas pedal, and instead of a nice steady push, you get a jolt? That jumpy feeling when you try to speed up can mean the throttle body is clogged. Without enough clean air getting through, the engine struggles to react the way it should. Bad gas mileage. Notice you're stopping at the gas station a lot more? A dirty throttle body can mess up the air-fuel balance, making the engine work harder and waste more gas. Check engine light is on. While the check engine light can mean lots of things, sometimes a dirty throttle body is the reason. Sensors get confused when airflow isn't right, and that can trigger the warning light on your dash. Weaker engine power. If your car feels super sluggish, like it's tired even going up small hills, a really dirty throttle body could be blocking the air your engine needs. Less air means less power. If you're noticing any of these problems and you're pretty good with basic car work, you're in luck. There are tons of easy to follow tutorials online that can show you how to clean the throttle body yourself, and doing it on your own could save you a nice chunk of cash, around $375 to $400. Like to save this amount in a go? Then watch this video till the end, as we will guide you step by step on how to clean your car's throttle body. And if you like our effort, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Here are the tools you will need for throttle cleaning at home: screwdriver or socket set, rubber gloves and eye protection, throttle body cleaning spray, cleaning brush or toothbrush, clean rags or paper towels, general purpose oil, cotton swabs, mass airflow sensor cleaner optional. You can find special throttle body cleaner sprays at most auto parts stores, or even in the car section at your local hardware store. If you can't find one, no worries. Products like WD-40 or carburetor cleaner can also get the job done. Now, how to clean a throttle body? Step 1. Find and disconnect the throttle body. First, pop the hood and find the throttle body. It's usually sitting between the air filter box and the engine's intake manifold in most fuel-injected cars. Not sure which part it is? Here's a simple trick. With the engine turned off, have someone press the gas pedal. The part that moves when they do, that's your throttle body. Once you've found it, disconnect the car battery just to be extra safe. Make sure the engine is completely off before you start. Next, remove any hoses or air ducts connected to the throttle body. A good tip is to stick a little masking tape on each hose and label them. That way you'll know exactly where everything goes when it's time to put it all back together. To take off the air intake tube, grab a screwdriver and loosen the clamp, then gently twist and pull the tube off. Just be careful not to mess with any wires or connectors. If your throttle body has 2 air tubes, you usually only need to remove one to get enough space for cleaning. Step 2. Spray the cleaner. Before you get started, throw on some rubber gloves and safety glasses. Throttle body cleaner has strong chemicals, and you don't want it on your skin or in your eyes. It's okay to spray the cleaner right onto the throttle body's butterfly valve without taking everything apart, just don't go overboard. Make sure you spray and clean both sides of the valve. If your car has a cable-controlled throttle, you can gently open the valve by hand. But if you've got a newer car with an electronic drive-by-wire throttle, don't force it open by hand. You could break something expensive. Instead, press the gas pedal to open it. You can either ask a buddy to hold it down or place something heavy on the pedal. Once you've sprayed the cleaner, let it sit for about 10 minutes so it can break down all that gunk inside. Step 3. Scrub the dirt away. Here's how to scrub the throttle body without removing it. Grab a soft toothbrush and gently scrub inside the throttle body to loosen up all the dirt, sticky stuff, and grime hiding in the corners. Wipe away the mess with a clean rag or paper towel. If you still see dirty spots, spray more cleaner, scrub again, and wipe it down until the metal looks clean and shiny. Be super careful not to spray cleaner on any sensors. Also, wipe up any spills around the engine. When everything's clean, use a cotton swab to dab a tiny drop of general purpose oil where the throttle shaft meets the body. This helps it move nice and smooth. Step 4. Optional, clean the mass airflow MAF sensor. Want to make your car run even better? Clean the MAF sensor too. It helps measure the air coming into the engine for perfect performance. Here's how. Find the MAF sensor. It's a little black box between the air filter and the throttle body. Use a screwdriver to remove it. Hold the MAF cleaner spray about 4 inches away from the tiny wire or plate inside. Spray about 10 to 15 bursts or until the wire shines like new. Let it air dry for an hour before reinstalling it. No wiping needed, just let the air do the work. Step 5. Put it all back together and test it out. Now it's time to reassemble everything. Use the labels you made earlier to reconnect the hoses and air ducts properly. Make sure all the clamps are tight and secure. When you're done, start the engine and let it idle for a few minutes. Then, take it for a test drive. You should notice smoother acceleration, better idling, and maybe even better gas mileage. For the best results when cleaning your throttle body, a few simple tips can make a big difference. Always use a good quality cleaning spray from a trusted brand to get the job done right. Be careful not to overspray inside the throttle body. A little goes a long way. After you've put everything back together, let the engine run for a few minutes to settle everything back into place. And remember, keeping your throttle body clean isn't a one-time thing. It's a good idea to give it a fresh clean every 30,000 miles, or whenever you notice signs of buildup. Still thinking about cleaning the throttle body yourself? It's definitely something you can do at home, as long as you're comfortable working on your car and carefully follow each step. But if you're unsure about anything or feeling nervous around engine parts, it's safer to let a professional mechanic handle it. Here's when it's smarter to call in the experts. If you're not too familiar with how your engine works, if your car has a more complicated throttle body that needs special tools, or if the buildup inside is really bad and needs a deep clean. Remember, cleaning the throttle body might seem like a small thing, but it can make a huge difference in how your car feels and performs. A clean throttle body helps your engine breathe better, which means smoother idling, quicker acceleration, and even better fuel mileage. It can also lower harmful emissions, which is great for the environment and can help your car pass inspection tests. Plus, by keeping dirt and grime from building up, you're helping prevent bigger, more expensive problems down the road. In short, a clean throttle body keeps your car running stronger, smoother, and more efficiently. And who doesn't want that? Just take a moment to think about your comfort level and your car's condition before deciding whether to DIY or get a little help. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new. And if you like our effort, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.